Wall display hanging hardware for heavy artwork, metal versus wooden French cleats. French cleats are most commonly used for large or heavy frames, Dibond, dry mount, or plaque mounts. The interlocking design of the two cleats help to lock the frame in a secure position. The installation takes a few simple steps. One cleat is attached to the picture, while the other piece is attached to the wall. The cleats are secured with screws, and now you can simply slide the artwork into the wall cleat. These are available in metal and wood. Metal French cleats come in two types, regular and heavy duty. Regular are most commonly used for small, lightweight pictures, while heavy duty is used for large and heavy frames. One of the benefits of metal cleats is that, in side view, it is nearly invisible due to 3/16-inch thickness. Here, the maximum size that we offer is 59 inches. Similar to metal cleats, the wooden cleats are perfect for large and heavy display. A strip of wood is cut in 45 degrees angle, which creates a locking mechanism once attached. For these, the maximum size that we offer is 96 inches. The downside of wooden cleat is that when you display your artwork, the half-inch thickness can be seen in side view for small artwork, while it is less noticeable for large and heavy artwork. For more information, visit CanadaOnCanvas.com.